Welcome back to the channel, Jasmy fam. Jasmychain will be bigger than you think. Took a few days away from the channel because there was a tropical storm that was passing by in my area. They had some islands that were super affected by the tropical storm. Some islands got flooded. Luckily for for us here, it wasn't too bad. Just a ton of rain and wind, but nothing too crazy, so I'm thankful to God for that. And now we're right back to one of the best projects in the space, Jasmy. First thing we're gonna start off with is a video from NeoXtrix speaking about Jasmychain. If this is something that you're interested in, Jasmy fam, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, and watch until the end so you don't miss anything. The Jasmychain is officially launched. In the launch phase, the Japanese team showed with remarkable patience, avoiding cutting corners to ensure that everything is perfectly in place. Let's take a look. We are in the midst of launching Jasmy, a project that embodies this philosophy. Man, it's so amazing to see how much the team of Jasmy has been putting in so much work constantly. You see how much more content creators are talking about Jasmy. You know, some of them, I think a couple of them have exited their positions, but that's fine. There's people that still see long-term potential with this project, man. And I am really all about awareness and community. And when a project has a massive community like it does with Jasmy, I can't fade it, man. So of course I have it in my portfolio. The perfect storm of change. Jasmychain will be bigger than majority of us think, man. Jasmychain will be massive. That's gonna add so much utility to the project of Jasmy, and I'm not sure how it will be integrated. I'm not sure if Jasmy, they will build on top of the Jasmy coin itself, turning it from token to coin, or it will be a migration. I see people talking about migration in the comment section. A migration is not bad if you think about it, because there was another project called Alliance Blot that did a migration, and I don't think that was bad. Like that was actually a good thing that Alliance Blot did their migration, right? That's another project that is still, you know, talked about a lot, that a lot of people love. So I'm not sure how they'll implement it, because if you take a look at, for example, Shiba Inu, they built a layer 2 protocol with the Shiba Inu project, and they use Bone as the gas fee. I think the smartest thing would be for Jasmy to build their layer 2, make it a layer 2 chain where projects, DeFi, all of these things can launch on the chain, and they could use Jasmy Coin as the gas fee, right? That would be the smartest thing, because that would add so much use case where people will be bridging over to their layer 2 solution. I would think the smartest thing would be to, like, that's the smartest thing they should go with, right? Using the Jasmy coin as like the gas fee, so that creates so much use case for it. And who knows, developers could create buy and burn mechanisms where you have to sacrifice Jasmy to get access to their game, burn Jasmy to get access to their DeFi protocol, etc., to their metaverse. It could be very massive, man. Awesome video, man, by the way. Awesome video. Jasmy is a technology for a bold future. IoTs will be massive. Data security will be bigger than most think, man. That's where Jasmy will truly shine. Awesome stuff from Neo Xtrix, man. Amazing video. Jasmychain is gonna be big, guys. I'm telling you. Dr. Jasmy. Jasmy, we do business with the bears and celebrate with the bulls. Buy low, sell high. So right here, we have the chart. Potential breakout for 471%, 1,442%, 106 or 10,668% for 36 cent Jasmy. We could go even higher than that. But let's be honest, man. If you have, let's say 300k to 400k Jasmy, and we see a 36 cents Jasmy, that's potentially 6 figures right there, man. That is potentially 6 figures from like what, $1,000 investment, 100x. Like, come on, man. You could only get those types of gains in crypto, man. I'm telling you, you could only get those types of gains in crypto. And with Jasmy, how the charts is set up, how all the TA experts that I talk about and show you guys, all of them say Jasmy could hit anywhere from 30 cents to maybe $2. You know, I'm not gonna doubt the TA, man. From Max, Jasmy ESG data will be massive, a deep dive. Special shout outs to Logger for his great research. So, green growth strategy, we've talked about this with the ESG score that and the carbon credits that Jasmy has created, right? And I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be big, man. Like, the world is heading into a more energy efficient, green, carbon neutral place, and Jasmy with the partnerships that it got with you know, green companies is gonna be big, man. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. Coin Rabbit, Jasmy is not going anywhere. So this is a post from Coin Rabbit on CMC. We've been supporting Jasmy for quite some time. We are supporting Jasmy now. We'll be supporting Jasmy in the future. It's not going anywhere. We also reduced APR for Jasmy crypto loans. Awesome stuff to see. Jasmy right now sitting at 0.00349, 164 million, just under $164 million in market cap, $14.3 million in 24-hour trade volume, man. That volume cannot be ignored. Again, like I've been telling you guys, we're just more than likely going to be in this range until we get some catalysts in the overall markets. So that's when we start to see breakouts for Jasmy, or when developments take place as well that could help the catalyst for the project, man. From Believe in Jasmy, buckle up, Jasmy fam. There's a bumpy road ahead, maybe next week, next month, or 2024. More volatility. Know what you hold. Jasmy's connecting the dots. Plans are in action. Jasmy's building. Jasmy's growing. Know what you hold. And I completely agree with that. Jasmy trending. Jasmy strong. Like, a lot of people don't have conviction on their projects, man. They see a lot of FUD and a lot of people talking down on the project, and then they sell and they move on, and then, you know, years go by, time goes by, they be like, why did I sell? I had this amount of this project, right? Don't let that happen to you with Jasmy. I've fallen victim to that like a few times already since my time in the space, since 2020, my time in the space, right? And I'm not gonna let it happen to me ever again, man. If I have a project that I believe in, have conviction on, I buy an amount that I'm happy with, and then, you know, after I buy that amount, it's in my portfolio, I take new fresh fiat to buy another project that I have conviction on or I like, right? And that's how I have my portfolio. After I have an amount I'm happy with, if it goes to, I got a price target, Jasmy go to 30 cents or $1, I make this amount of money, that's great gains. And then after I got an amount I'm happy with, I move on to other projects after that, man. And that's how I really think you should play it in the space. In my opinion, having a diversified portfolio, to me, is the smartest way to go when it comes to this space, right? Because obviously nothing is guaranteed. And from JB, connecting the dots right here. Proprietary trading in crypto commodities, registration by the Dubai Multi-Commodity Center, and the launch of a 10 million fund dedicated to fueling early stage Web3 innovation projects. Look at that, man. Proprietary trading in crypto commodities, September 6, 2023 until September 10th, 2024. and grants Deepcoin Labs the ability to engage in trading activities within the crypto commodity sector. So JB going down the rabbit hole because Jasmy MGT is gonna be doing an spaces with Deepcoin, right? Deepcoin JP, awesome stuff. Another Japanese company, another partnership is locked in potentially for Jasmy. Jasmy will be hosting an AMA with Deepcoin. We'll provide more details soon. Please stay tuned for the space. Reservation information. Thank you. That is massive to see. That's why I've said the team keeps putting in that work, man. They keep getting connections and ties to a lot of these Japanese companies, and eventually, like we saw with you know, the CEO of Avida talking about Jasmy to the Indian companies of Bloomberg, right? That's massive as well, man. Jasmy's gonna go global, man. It's going global. It's going worldwide. 10,000 followers from Deepcoin. And from Team Lambo, in the past 21 to 2022 rally, most of the current majors did 200x or more. Jasmy has the potential to replicate it, if not more, a future in the making. When Jasmy hits $1 next bull rally, don't complain that you weren't told. This is from Team Lambo. He has been doing a ton of TA on Jasmy as well. And I tell you, a lot of people are going to get left behind, man, from high five. Those who accumulate at these lows and hold will definitely be rewarded this coming bull run. You're willing to stay broke working 40 years of your life, but not wait 3 to 5 years to become financially free. Jasmy will create life-changing wealth. Load up and be patient. And that's what I'm saying. This is how you play in the space, man. Once you have a project, okay, you have a certain amount of projects, so you're like, okay, this looks good. I like that. You DCA, you accumulate that project. You do that for other assets as well. You have a diversified portfolio. That way, since crypto is so volatile, speculative, and nothing is guaranteed, now that you have a diversified portfolio, you could just literally forget about some of your, like all of your bags at that point, right? Every single asset that you have, you just buy it, hold it, forget about it. Check back in 2025. Check back end of 2024, 2025, and see where your assets are at, man. Every single asset, because a lot of projects move with the overall market. A lot of projects move with the top market mover, which is Bitcoin. A lot of altcoins are down right now as well. Not just Jasmy that are in a range, right? And they're just waiting for the overall market to start breaking out and for new money to get into the space. And that's when you're going to see massive moves in a lot of alts you guys might think are dead or gone. And it happened the last cycle, happened all the previous cycles. It's going to happen again. So Jasmy fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.